out at Databricks, can you give us an example of a specific program, perhaps working with the various agencies that you'd like to highlight?
Well, I think Dr. Sim and Kirsten already have done that, but we'll share some others, and hopefully Tom and Dr. Gravis will do the same. For Databricks, I like to talk about work we started doing at Dr. Gravis's former agency, U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, where they literally started out using Databricks as a data warehouse. They had some really difficult joins that were taking a long time. They had a ill-fated ETL process that would fail very frequently. And very frequently, the data that they were reporting to the executive branch was out of date because the ETL process took so long. So they started using Databricks as a data warehouse. This was several years ago. Today, that work has evolved pretty dramatically, where they're ingesting data from interviews for naturalization and visa applications, and they're finding fraud in there. They're making better use or better predictions in terms of which people are going to miss their appointments to make sure that the interviewers are more effectively used. And they're also analyzing the supporting documentation that comes in with these requests, birth certificates, passports, to find fraud within those. So they've really done an end-to-end modification of how they serve, immigrants. And it starts with the data ingest with an e-filing system and goes all the way through the analysis of visual records, all using Databricks. It's quite an accomplishment that USCIS has had.